So here we have a assembly that we want to turn into a drawing. So the first step that we want to do is go to File, Make Drawing from Assembly, because we want to make a drawing. So we'll click that. And it's going to ask us what sheet we want. We have ANSI C Landscape. So we'll just click on that and hit OK. And here you'll be greeted with a giant picture and then different views of your assembly. So we're going to use isometric because that gives us a good view of everything in the assembly. So we're going to click and drag that onto our paper. Since nothing's really overlapping each other, we can just put it in the middle, since that's the only view that we're going to need. So we're going to come over to Annotation, Tables, and add a bill of materials. And the bill of materials is just a list of all the parts, and it'll also tell us what material the part is. So make sure that this attach to anchor points off, it's top level only, and bomb standard, and then we can just hit OK. And when we move our mouse onto this, you can see that it pops up. And we want to set a standard of putting our bill of materials in the corner, in the bottom right corner, right here, just like that. So to get the material, we're going to right click when our arrow looks like that in between C and D column, and we want to insert column right, and you'll see some lists pop up. We want to go to property name, material, and if you have set up your materials, you'll see that they'll all pop up. We can right click on C and delete this column, not table, and then just snap it back in place. And now we have our part number, item number, and material, and the quantity. So to actually tell which part is which, we can come up to the top, annotation again, and auto balloon, and that's just gonna create a way where we can see which part is which. So if you see this is labeled 4 and it's connected to this tube, so if we come down to the bill of materials, we can see 4 is our 10-inch tube. So, and then we can look into the specifics of that and how many there are. And we want to try to keep these numbers outside of this little dashed box, just so that it's easier to see where the numbers are and what they're connected to. See, so this, we don't know, is it connected to this bar or is it connected to this bar? So we can just drag this right there, and now you can easily tell that it's connected to this tube. Same with this, right there, and we can move that one like so, and now you can tell it's connected to this tube, and this is connected to this one. So that's how you create your bill of materials and your balloon.